And when you go through the campaign results at the end and you're like, oh my God, there's so many quotes that have been started from this piece of activity or from this video or this advert, you're like, this is incredible.
Hi, welcome to another episode of SmartCraft. I'm joined by Louise Clark, Head of External Communications at Zurich, and we're talking about marketing in the insurance and financial sector. What roles do agencies play in helping you shape and deliver campaigns and strategies?
Our marketing team is set up to be completely self-sufficient. So everyone has InDesign. So they're designing everything in terms of the production of things. But where our agencies really help us and really support us is coming up with the creative, the concept itself and the creative messaging, but also that expertise when we are trying to target, or we have a specific problem and we don't really know how to target them through media. That's where we really rely on the expertise of your agency, certainly, to help us work through all of that and be the expert for us, because we can't be everything to everyone, and that's really where we would use you, or where we would use you to really help us work through that, how we target that particular customer and what are the most successful channels we can use to do that. We don't have that expertise in-house, and we shouldn't be all things to all people as a marketing team. We can't be, but that's where we really rely on agencies such as yourselves to help us.
In your opinion, what would be the biggest change in insurance marketing in the next 5 years?
So we're currently using AI at the moment to rewrite a lot of our policy documentation. We own about 9,000 documents, which is like your policy document that you would get if you bought a home or motor product. We are currently in the process of transforming the way we sound and introducing a new tone of voice. So our AI tool is helping us rewrite all of those documents. Amazing. So it's incredible for speed and for accuracy, but the person still needs to be checking it to make sure it's relevant. In the future, I think AI will transform the way we speak to our customers. So when you're thinking about AI and the hyper-personalization that it's going to bring, you can target somebody by their job, their sector, their interests. And when you create content that aligns with those interests, from a brand experience, it's going to be truly phenomenal.
What advice would you give other marketing professionals looking to succeed in the insurance sector?
I would say know your product inside out, whatever insurance product that might be. Really get underneath what the covers actually mean to a customer and why they would want to buy it. What's the emotional need for that product? And that will help you market that in the future. Secondly, I would say remain relevant. Follow all the influencers that inspire you on LinkedIn. Follow your competitors, but also keep a tight hold on what's going on social media and some of the trends on there, because that will help you execute interesting topics with your teams in future and help you introduce new things. If you're in meetings, have something to say. I sit in a lot of meetings where not many people say very much, so definitely have something to say, because it will make you stand out in the crowd. And the final thing, I would say, keep your skills up to date. So go to a marketing meetup, do an online course. If you want to do something like create your own video or video editing, do a YouTube course. Or certainly for me, being now slightly older, I'm currently doing the mini MBA with Mark Ritson. Incredible for sort of validating and bringing together the strategy and the objectives and the strategic thinking. At this point in my career, it gives me the confidence to then go on, you know. So it's those things that I would recommend.